Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about copy and view. Now what this is a functionality which NumPy provides us to make a copy of your array, right? Now what is the difference between both of these two? Why do we need to use them? Okay, so that's what I'm going to explain you with the help of an example. Here I have created an array of height for 5 people. Now let's say I want to find the average of this height values, right? So what I'll do is I'll do this thing. So here I got the average. Now for some reason I want to make some adjustment in this average value, right? So what I'll do is I just come over here and I changed the value and I have my adjustment into this mean. Okay, now I need to get my original array back, but that's not over here. So what is the way of doing that? So for that we're gonna be using this functionality. What that functionality is, so let's say height, I'm going to create another array which is height underscore copy, and I will make a copy of this original one, which is this. Okay, now this is created, height dot copy is height underscore copy is created, right? Now let's try and create the average, find the average on this copy, right? So here I have height dot copy and I will make, sorry, I just misspelled it. Okay, now here I got the average value. All right, so let's, because I had changed that, so now if you see both of these two average values are same. Now like I said that I have to make some adjustment, so I can make the adjustment in this array and let's see what happens. Okay, so here is that copy, and in this what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the height of second person, and that I'm going to make 7, and then let's see, here we have our average changed, right? Now let's see, is there any impact on the original one? No, the original one is unchanged, right? So original one remains unchanged. So this is the benefit of using copy over here. Now let's try and do it the other way. Let's try to make some changes in the original list. For example, here I'm trying to change the height of third person in this one, and that I want to make 2 feet. All right, and now let's check that out. Here you see we have the height 58624. This is the original list which is changed. Is there any impact in the copy which we had created? Let's see that. It is 58774. It remains unchanged. All right. So this is how you can make the changes in copy, but original one will always remain unchanged. Right. So this is how you can use the copy function. Now let's say if I want to make the changes in copy and I want that to reflect in the original one as well, right? So what I can do, let's say I change it to this, and this is changing the copied version of this array, right, but not changing in the original one. So what is the way? So for that what we're gonna do is, instead of using the copy function, we will use the view function. So I'm going to create another variable, height underscore view, and in that I will use height dot view, and then I will create a, I have created a copy of this one, right? Now I will print both of these arrays over here. So this one is the original array, and now I am going to print this array as well, view. Okay, so both of these are printed. Now let's try and make some changes into this array in the copy. Okay, so in the copy I'm going to change the third element, which is 0 1 2 3, the one we have value as 2 feet. Okay, now I'm going to change it to 7 feet. So you see it is changed. Is there a change in original one also? Yes, that is changed. Let's try to do it other way. In the original one I'm going to make some changes over here. So let's say I'm changing the second element. The second element I'm going to make 9 feet. So, and let's try and print that. I am printing it. So you see the second element is changed. Is there any change in the copy also? Let's try and find that. Yes, it is changed in the copy as well, right? So the difference between view and copy function is when you use view, and if you make any change either in the copy or in the original one, that's gonna reflect in the other one as well. But if you use copy, if you are using copy function, and if you make any change either in the copied array or in the original array, the other one is going to remain unchanged. So this is the difference between copy and view in a nutshell. All right, I just hope that it was clear to you. In the next video we will try to check out the shape of an array.